Welcome in this new video tutorial from channel video tutorial, and we are going to see in Laravel how to share functions, classes among everything. Whatever what you need is possible in Laravel to see and to use functions or classes in view or controller or in models, and so we don't have to invent anything, but just with a very clear and simple method we can use from everywhere. In my case, if you are looking, I'm calling this method that is calling a method from the model. Let's go into see. And this is the key user, a custom classes, and this is the technique. I'm going to create a new folder, below app, call it classes and users. So if you use this conventions using this, Laravel automatically will go to reference the file, and you don't need anything. You don't need to use the composer JSON to include the classes, even if this is another way. But we are going to use the most simple way, that is this, to use the auto-loading classes from Laravel. If you use this convention, every file will call it, will load it automatically, as in this case. So let's go here to do a new class. Let's go here. In this class is user, and I'm going to create a new file, for example books, chi book, and this is a class that I want to use to just to some function relative for books. So in my case I'm going to use to call this class chi book, and here we go. But I'm going to create a folder, call it books, and I'm going to move this so it will be a lot better organized. So we have a class, so in my case this is the namespace that Laravel will automatically call, and if I need to use this class everywhere, it's simple. I'm going to use the namespace. Let's go here, and for example here I'm going in my controller is a simple project. I have somewhere the book controller. Here we go, and I'm going to use this. So the same namespace, but I'm going to use cbook get, and let's go here. See this get books, and here we go. This is a static method. Let's go here if it's working, or is not working, so I have a return, and let's go here if it's working, and let's go here. Yes, it's working, and I'm going to call this method return some books are available, and here we go. So imagine this is a simple really simple class, but we can just to put, so for example, a method to return some book. Here, let's go here, for example, let's go here. So let's try. So I can just to use the or anywhere. Let's go with working. Yes, it's still working. And I just to return something from the, let's go here, something null because I don't have anything. But if I go here, let's go here, I have some testing somewhere, and I can just to put a new record. So Rose's name, testing, let's go here, and here we go, and I have the main model. Let's go here, we have something like this, and you can see that we can just to use this. So this way I'm going, let's go now to do something like this. Suppose that we want to show in our view always a book, so we can just to do like this. Let's go in our view, remove the return here. This is what we want. Let's comment. Now we want the first title book. Let's go here, and we are going to go in our view, and I'm going to call inside blade this. So imagine that we want H1. You can see that I can just use everywhere, and I can just use also in the model in my book. So let's go here in my model, and of course I can just to use here. I can just to call in my book model, in my home, I can just to call. So I think this is the best way to develop a clean and well organized application, and no particular techniques use it, because we don't use services like this. We are bypassing in some way the technique Laravel, but I think the result is great, and we can organize very well the project. Thanks for watching.